I think you just kind of have it in you that you like to move things, move big things, and work with a team. It's been done for years in my family since the 1930s. Having the technology that we have now, it is a lot of fun. We actually have the first LTM 1750. We're very excited. It completes our fleet.
It's big, but big has its advantages.
This wind farm supplies electricity to the surrounding towns. When these turbines go down, they don't produce, and so we come out and we get them back online. We got spotted up, proper radiuses. We're going to get out on steel, and then we're going to commence to rig up.
The crane can actually erect itself and put itself together, and that's what we're doing right now with it.
And as you can see, the access is one in and one out, so that's a challenge we'll have to overcome.
I think this is a lot easier to put on and assemble. We can move in, rig up in a day.
And we rolled in onto this pad at 9:30, and we will be rigged up by this evening, hook ready.
Your mind's constantly running 100 miles an hour. You want to be safe and efficient and make the smoothest pick as possible.
We work with the best equipment, we work with the best people, and what that does is it brings the best out of everybody.
I want to give you a quick review of what's going to happen here today. We're going to hook up the rotor, bring it down.
When a turbine goes down, our customers are losing money, and we need to get them back up. Whenever the wind isn't blowing, we've got to make our lifts quickly and efficiently.
A lot of the advantages of the 1750 would be its high lifting capacity.
Easier for us to move in and out than our crawler cranes.
You can bring it in with half the truckloads, half the manpower.
We'll spend 3/4 of a day putting the boom in on the crawler crane, where on this one, we did it in maybe an hour, hour and a half.
The electronics are very, very user-friendly, easy to work on. They use a Bluetooth system to work the outriggers.
You can't hardly tell that you're driving a car to one of the largest machines on the planet these days.
Liebherr is the Cadillac to cranes. Fine touches to every movement, which generates smooth, efficient picks.
The crane itself is a state-of-the-art machine. It's also green for the environment because it takes less fuel to get it from here to there. We can mope from one tower to the next really easily, and that's a huge advantage, huge. Especially when you got to bring a team in to help do the work.
Go ahead and cable down.
Okay, I'm at 91,000.
Looking good, looking good. Go ahead and stop, boom. Alright, Joe, cable down, nice and easy. Bill, cable up, nice and easy. Hold that right there, Bill. Cable down, nice and easy. Tagline full, south tagline full. Cable down, about 3 more inches, we'll make contact. Cable down.
I'm going in over here.
Well, the LTM 1750 it makes the lift plans a lot faster and a little easier. Based on how yesterday's lift went, we are making some improvements.
We can do like a measurement from the center pin out for our tail crane and like back to the tower, so we know pretty much where we need to have our tail crane.
So I'll probably have to look at the load charts and figure out what my max radius is at whatever that max weight would be. So I'm going to reconfigure and see if I can find a better crane placement.
It's very safe with the manpower and the assembly and disassembly. There's 100% tie-off cables.
As a rigger, you have less pins that you have to knock out. You don't have to take it all the way down to the butt section. We take safety very serious at Northwest. No excuses there. We're like family, so we try to look out for one another.
It's real family-oriented. We work hard. Everybody does their job. They do their job as well.
They hold us to high standards, which I like. It makes me want to do my job better.
And you couldn't ask for a better team to work with. They're just an awesome company.
When you work together as long as what we have, everybody knows what to do and knows what the next step will be.
We all get in there, we all help, and to get the job done safely, quickly.
You're not a number, you're a name at Northwest.
Wouldn't work for any other company, put it that way.
Northwest's a great company. We've been nothing but excited to have them here. You couldn't ask for a better scenario of what's happened here in the last 2 days.